Hi, Base here. Hey,
Here's a question.
I wonder what today's little bird question will be. Flexi will know. Let's go ask him what today's little bird question is. Here on Nick Jr.
Out of a little big room and into the big, big world, it's Flexi's Little Big Question.
Wake up, Flexi!
Oh, hi! This is Flexi here with another little big question. Okay, guys, here's the question. What's a snore?
A snore is when you're sleeping.
Yeah? What do you do when you snore?
You do like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys know anybody that snores?
My daddy.
Your daddy snores? How about you, Dustin?
My mommy snores too.
Your mommy snores too?
Yeah,
What, Sam?
I snore.
Sam, you snore? Hey,
Yeah.
I got a great idea. Everybody, let's go to sleep and snore. Ready? Go to sleep. See you next time on The Little Big Question.
Watch this. Yo. Right now, Nick Jr. is gonna take a short break.